My name is Tess Thornton.
And my name is Raymond.
Our science fair project is about how algae is affected by nitrate and phosphate.
We got our idea of our project because we like spending a lot of time outdoors in the water.
We noticed that sometimes lots of beaches and areas are closed because of harmful algae.
We wanted to do more research on this, so we talked to someone from our OSU.
They gave us a paper to do more research and read more about this issue.
In our research, we learned that nitrate and phosphate are very important chemicals for algae growth.
If we can better understand what causes the overgrowth of harmful algae, then we can prevent it and likely open more areas that harmful algae grows in.
For our project, we collected water samples from Grand Lake St. Mary's, which is one of many lakes that's affected by the harmful algae.
After collecting the algae samples from Grand Lake St. Mary's, we tested the original nitrate and phosphate levels, and then we separated them into 4 bottles.
We then added the correct amount of nitrate and phosphate that you would find out in nature to the algae samples.
And then over the span of 3 days, we tested the nitrate and phosphate levels in the algae.
We then used a pipette and took individual samples out of the 4 beakers. Then we looked at each of the samples under a microscope and counted the individual cell count of each of the samples. This is the control beaker on day 4 with the 2 filaments. This is the nitrate beaker on day 4 with the lot of filaments. This is the phosphorus beaker on day 4 with 3 filaments. And this is the nitrate and phosphate beaker on day 4 with 3 filaments. In our experiment, we learned that nitrate affects algae the most when growing.
As you can see from our graph, nitrate affected the growth of algae the most. The phosphorus affected it the second most. The nitrate and phosphorus affected it the third most, but the control stayed relatively even throughout the whole process.
I think our experiment went well, but if we were to do it again, we would test multiple bodies of water.
We think that farmers could be a source of the nitrate that causes the harmful algae blooms, so we could test streams near farms and see if that is what is causing the problem.
Once we know the problem, we can reach out to farmers and help inform them about the problems that their fertilizers are bringing.
Thank you for taking the time to judge our project.
We had a lot of fun learning about this project, and we're excited to learn more.